60th, Ma. Thank you for being patient and calm and doing everything you can to provide for us. I hope you enjoy this video and enjoy your day.
Sa pinakamamahal kong asawa, happy 60th birthday. Ikaw ang liwanag ng aking buhay. Wishing you all the best in the world. Happy 60th birthday. I love you. Mwah.
Hi Mom, have an amazing 60th birthday and I hope many more years to come. I love you so much.
Hello, Ate! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
More years and good health always.
Senior citizen ka, nanang.
60.
Happy birthday po! Welcome to Senior Citizen Club. Thank you, Adu-Adu. More blessings to come and good health always. Love you.
Hi, hello Auntie, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Thank you for everything. Sana umaba pa yung buhay mo. Sana marami ka pang matulungan just like me. Enjoy your day. Love ya.
Bless happy 16th birthday, tita. A message ko lang sa'yo. Long life and good health. Sana hindi ko magbago. Ikaw pa rin yung tita ko matulungin. More kang birthday, tita, and God bless. Happy birthday!
Lola, I hope na mas maging malakas ka po at sana po ay hindi mo po papabayaan yung kalusugan mo. Happy birthday po, Lola. Good evening po.
Happy birthday, Lola Ana. More birthdays to come. Ingat ka po lagi.
Happy birthday, Grandma Anna. Take care of yourselves. Mwah!
Birthday po, Lola. May you have more birthdays to come. Enjoy your special day, Lola.
Happy birthday sa aking mabait na Lola Ana. Sana po palagi kayo manusog. I love you. Happy birthday, Lola! God bless you!
Happy birthday!